Hey guys, I'm in Tahoe for snowboarding this weekend. I've been dying to go. I'm here with some friends.
Just some friends?
I'm here with Luke, if you guys remember Luke. And then some of our other friends that live in SF. So they wanted to go to Tahoe and I'm like, I'm down. I feel like I haven't been in so long. I went last year, but really for like a day or two, so it doesn't really count. I feel it's more like 2 years. I also got a new snowboard literally a week ago in Atlanta. We just went to 2 snowboard shops because I'm looking for a snowboard for Tahoe.
They were saying it's like markdown season.
Oh, is it markdown season? I mean, that makes sense because it's the end of the season. They had a little playground.
Yeah, literally. They're skating on the
in the store. Yeah. It was just like a flat skateboard without wheels.
Well.
But yeah, I will update you guys. Oh my god, lighting is so bad. Okay, board reveal. This one was actually in the store that we went to. It's a different type of board from my old one and it's a little longer. So I don't know how well I'll do on the slopes tomorrow. And currently we got a cabin for like 5 of us near Palisades, Tahoe. I'll give you a little tour.
So it's recording.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my...
Welcome back. This is our dome cabin. We have Sid.
Oh, hi.
Andrew.
Hello.
And then our nice, oh, and Luke, of course. So rooms, bathroom. Wow.
That's gonna blind the viewers.
Oops, flash warning. First room, quick shot. Second room, and then I think I'll be staying up here with Olivia, who is coming soon. So it's like a dome shaped. Got the full view. Very cozy. And yeah, welcome to our humble abode for 1 night, for 2 nights.
This is like Abraham Lincoln type office space.
What? Any words?
I'm just eating my Chipotle.
It's like 11 p.m. right now. We just got here.
I think you're recording already, right?
Yeah, I am recording right now.
Oh. You gotta do the thing where it's like close to your head.
Yeah,
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
Big day today. Let's see how much we still have on the mountain because I haven't been in a minute, but this is the new board. You guys can see. Recording? Recording. Okay. Took the gondola up the mountain, so we're like mid-mountain right now. I told them to not wait for me, but I feel like they're still waiting for me. So, this is so exciting. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't done this in forever. I really want to see how it'll go getting off the ski lift for the first time because that's always an interesting time. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I feel so new to this. Ah! Okay. Yeah. Whee! Oh gosh. Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Okay, so I think I still got the hang of it, mostly. Wait, did Olivia already leave? Okay. Ugh. Ah! Sorry. Yeah, I'm good. Whoa, my god, there's so many people. We got some string cheese from Sid.
Oh, you're still vlogging?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you just it's too hard to peel it off.
Slowly.
Ah! No!
Alright, I guess so.
It's so hot here. I'm gonna have to take off my hoodie or something. California. Makes sense.
2 seconds later.
Oh!
Holy shit, dude. This is actually terrifying.
Why did I take my hoodie off? Wait, I'm pretty sure my stance moved. I think it shifted. Like, I just didn't screw it on tight enough. Okay, so like, that's what's happening. It's just moving.
That's pretty crazy.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, very unfortunate.
Yeah, it's hurting my knees. Okay, so second run on the black. Not sure why we decided to do that. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay. Ugh. Also, my stance is like really wide right now, so this is like not ideal for me. But yeah. I'm just healing the entire way down. Oh, maybe we should move. I like can't even see. It's blending in. Oh shoot, my stance got wider. It got even wider. Like it's to the max now. It's like max. I'll just scoot my way down. The snow is so pretty though. Ugh! I just walked to the car to get my backpack. It has all of our food. Simply not trying to pay for the food at a ski resort. It's like $12 just for fries. We're not gonna have my prosciutto string cheese for $2 from Safeway. So I have a protein shake, Chex Mix, and Chester's fries. And I have a potato salad. I'm gonna take that to where they are. Honestly, it's like nice to start on a hill because I don't get the point of starting on bunny slope. Actually, there's nothing to push you down. You're just scooting. Yep. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna stay back with him for now. Wait, now it's too narrow.
Bruh.
You know what? I'm just gonna... Wait, my goggles. Can set this world on fire. I'm not ready at all. It's fine. I'll just...
You want me to take it?
No, it's okay. We're slow. No one fell. Okay, bet. Oh, this is so fun. How are you doing, Sid?
I'm going.
Hello. Do you mind holding it for me, actually? Oh, is that him? Like right by the tree? There he is. He's coming up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Yes.
Yeah, that was good.
So basically, we got Thai takeout. And first of all, there were like options. I don't even know what to say. First of all, on the order, there was an option for no container. And then all the other options were like...
Oh, this is being recorded?
Oh, yeah.
This show is so fucked.
Literally. The containers cost 25 cents each. But then some entrees were free. Like $0. So we just added all the free entrees. There were 3 of them. And I think we got all of them, if not more. We have like 10 entrees.
So, please eat up.
What was the free food?
The calamari, the basil.
Oh, the suki. Okay.
Suki,
So these
suki
3,
something.
everyone can share.